the last day we did a project where we were calculating mean, median, and mode. And today we will be working on a new project where we would be calculating the age. So project 6, and this is age calculation. Okay, age calculation. All right, so now let's simply make it a little big. All right, so today here, first of all, what do we need? Let's make a for age calculating. There are two things you need, right? You need the date of birth as well as today's date, right? That means, let's say I'm born on some day, I need to calculate my age. Let's say I'm born in 1990. Let's say I'm born in 1990, and I was born on 1st January 1990. So what do I need? I need to now get to know my age. So definitely I need to subtract it from the current day's current day, right? So let's do something. Let's create a function to do the same. Okay, so for creating a function, I'll write down, let's say def calculate age, and the first thing you should have year, month, and day. These are the three things you need, right? Now next, what do we need to do? There is something which is really important over here. We need to import date time. Okay, this is the module which will help to get you the day to day. What is the today's date? If you want, you can use the date time module over here. So now let's write down today is equal to date time dot now. Let's come out dot, I want the date. So this is how we get the date. Now let's say now date of birth. Okay, date of birth is equal to date time dot date. What is it? Year, month, and date, right? These are the three things which I need for the date of birth. So now let's take age as the variable to get in the age. So what I'll do, definitely we need it in numbers. So not input, in brackets, today's, like today minus date of birth, right? So today minus date of birth, right? So date of birth, let me just put this whole thing in the bracket, and let's come in here. Yes, now dot days divided by 365.25, and you need to print the age. And now if I give calculate age and I write down, let's say 1999, five, 9, and let's run it. 23. Let's try one more thing. 2000, Then you need the month. Then you need the date. And let's try it out. 22. If you try 1 also, it works. 22, right? What if I give 2022? What is today's date? Today's date is 29th May, right? Let's write down something in future. Let's see what happens. It gives 0. That means you're definitely not yet born. All right, cool. So you can definitely add this exception that you can't add a day after today, right? So definitely try it out once if you can. And not if you can, you should definitely try it out and comment down in the comments below. Let's meet you in the next project. Till then, have fun with Python.